When we activate a new client, we want to deploy an AI solution as fast as possible. However, sometimes clients do not have historical data available to train custom AI models, or it takes several months to extract and clean historical data, especially if it is a new business area. So, how do we deliver that high-quality AI, but much sooner?
I'm Hugo Ferreira, and this is your Feedzai fraud and financial crime update. For thousands and thousands of transactions, you only see a few fraudulent transactions, right? So we need to accumulate sometimes months of data to be able to deliver a high-quality AI-based model. And not just the transactional data, but also the labels, right? The indicators that tells us if a given transaction is fraudulent or not. And sometimes those come even later, after the transaction takes place.
At Feedzai, we have ready to deploy AI-based models requiring no training data, codenamed Feed0.
On day zero, instead of the performance from the rules-based solution, you get something in between the rules-only solution and best-in-class custom-built AI models. We are able to create a new machine learning model trained for a specific use case and a specific geographical region. For example, transaction fraud for banking in Europe or acquires in Latin America. We deployed Feed0 in a European acquirer, and during the first month of deployment, we were able to detect a fraud attack that was happening on a given merchant days before the rules-based system was able to do it. So even though this model has seen no training data from that specific acquirer, it was still able to detect that fraud pattern earlier than the rule-based system. And in general, we've been observing better detection performance. When the time comes and we have enough data to train a custom-built model for the customer, we can switch from a Feed0 model to a custom model, or even evolve that model with the data from that financial institution. Would you also benefit from reducing the amount of time to activate your AI-based solution? Let us know in the comments. My name is Hugo Ferreira, and this was your Feedzai Fraud and Financial Crime Update.